As we all know that India have a favorable coastline, therefore we have many major ports in India. The coastline of India is 7,516.6 km long. Therefore, we have 12 major and 181 minor ports in India. Now let's discuss about the 12 major ports in India. Number 1 is Kandla. It is developed after independence to ease trade volume at Mumbai Port. It is a tidal port. It exports and imports all over India of highly productive granary and industrial belts of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan and Gujarat. The next port is Mumbai Port. Mumbai Port is the biggest one and it is spacious and natural and have well sheltered harbour. Next in the line is Jawaharlal Nehru Port. It is developed to decongest Mumbai Port as a hub port of the region. The next is Marmagaon, which is in Goa. It is the main iron ore exporting port, that is 30% of total iron ore is exported through this port. Next one is New Mangalore. This port is there to export iron ore of Kudermukh mines. Next is Kochi. It is extreme southwestern port located at an entrance of a lagoon with a natural harbour. The next one is Tuticorin, that is in Tamil Nadu. It is in extreme southeastern port in Tamil Nadu. It is a natural harbour and rich hinterland, flourishing and handling a variety of cargo to even neighbouring countries like Sri Lanka and Maldives and the coastal regions of India. The next one is Chennai. It is the oldest artificial harbour port, second to Mumbai in terms of volume and cargo. After Chennai, we have Visakhapatnam. It is the deepest landlocked and well protected port, originally for iron ore exports. Next is Paradweep, which is in Odisha. It is specialized in iron ore exports. After this, we can move to Kolkata. It is an inland riverine port, large and rich hinterland of Ganga Brahmaputra basin. It is a tidal port and constant degrading of Hooghly river is due to the use of this port. The next one in the line is Haldia. It is subsidiary to Kolkata Port and to receive the pressure of Kolkata Port it is constructed.